guys, and welcome to the shortest unboxing of YouTube. So today I'm gonna unbox with you my first and new Louis Vuitton Beaubourg pair of shoes. There you go. So basically, how can I say? I initially bought, that's so bad, just saying that. I bought them to wear it with this dress from COS, which is a leather-lined dress that I'm obsessed with. And yeah, I imagined a whole outfit with this dress and the shoes. The only thing that is missing is a cool top that will suit well the look, but I imagine like something like, I don't know, a shirt with a tie, for example. But yeah, let's go. So let's unbox this baby. And oh my god, so cool. Basically, they are the Derbies Beaubourg in collaboration with League of Legends, which is video games. And if you follow my vlogs, you know that I love video games. I'm not a geek, you know, but I enjoy here and there a good video game. Even though I don't play League of Legends, I can appreciate the effort and most importantly, the homage to the video game culture. So I thought it was a cool piece to have in my collection, you know. You're gonna find like the iconic monograms here and there with some gold, white and silver pattern. Also you have a little heel and the Louis Vuitton monogram in gold in the back of the heel. And yeah, I'm gonna try them right away. And honestly, I think with shorts, skirt, dresses, even like a nice denim, a baggy pants. Oh my god, baggy pants with those. It will look so cool. Tell me yes, please. Because after the Balenciaga Hard Crocs fiasco, now I only pray that they will fit me. Oh, perfect, yes. Oh my god. They do fit me. Oh my god. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god, I'm so happy. My mom's gonna freak again. When I told her, oh yeah, I'm going to pick up my shoes and everything, she's like, again? I'm sure she's gonna hate them. My boyfriend hates them, but I love them, honestly. I really do. Oh my god, they're so comfortable. I love it. Honestly, I thought they're gonna hurt me so badly, but honestly, they're super comfortable. So let's see if I'm happy or not. Really comfortable. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. Can you see? Look, how cute. Oh my god. A little bit, the sensation when I walk with them is a little bit weird. They're kind of big, you know, in terms of sizing, but it's good. Which means that if one day I want to wear it with like a long or thicker socks, sorry, it will be perfect. So yeah, that was it for my unboxing, guys. Let me know what you thought. What will be the best styling for the shoes? And I will be glad to try them in like a styling video. I feel like Cinderella. I'm so happy. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for your participation, your comments and your like. It means really a lot to me because, you know, my only hobby is to make videos on YouTube. Sadly, you know, that's life though. But yeah, thank you so much again and I see you in the next video. Bye!